So recently I had migrated Springboard to 2x to Springboard to 3.x versions. So below is this is the version which I'm using 3.3.9 with the Java version 17. So the main thing is in Java 17 all javax packages have been renamed to the Jakarta. So blindly wherever the javax is there, simply replace with the Jakarta. That should work. Mainly you will get this error for the at the rate of not null validations or any this one mail dot messaging exceptions. Okay, so the next is YML structure changed for the client credentials resource details class. So this client credentials resource detail class will be helpful for the third party REST API calls for mainly for authentication. So this client name, client ID, client secret, scope, and the provider. So this is to get the token URI. So this is the structure we have to follow, friends. This is structure we have to follow. If I think I can see some of my developers have been hard coded in the code also. That one I have removed and I had given the YML. If you given in the YML, automatically this bean will be created. You have to inject this bean. And, yeah, you have to follow the structure. And the Elasticsearch version is which is compatible is 7.17.23, and I have migrated Zapier Labs also 23.1.0. Uh, Use at the rate of dependency annotation in the case of required if it is required only. In my scenario, what it is happening is one bean. So in one bean, it is using other class resource also. So I mean other bean in one bean. So other bean it is using, but at the time of so this bean was loading, so that bean was not loaded. So for simple example, A and B bean is there. So A bean is internally using the B bean. So A bean is loading first, and B bean was not loaded. In that case, you might get the null pointer exception, or it was not loaded. Something you'll get some error. In that case, you have to mark that A bean as a at the rate of depends on B bean. So in that case, when the JVM comes to load the A bean, it will see this annotation and it will go to B bean and it will load that, and then it will come to A bean and it will do the remaining process. MySQL, Mongo, we are using MongoDB. MySQL and MongoDB versions mostly no need to change. It should compatible with Java 17, whatever the main thing is Maven dependency tree, friends. Maven dependency tree, you can see all the dependency. So suppose, for example, starter dependency will bring inside. So starter dependency will have the multiple dependencies inside. So if you want to see that tree, you can use this command and it will write to the some application.txt file. You can give the path here. So my suggestion is for the Jackson, use Jackson bomb. This Jackson bomb, this includes all Jackson related dependencies. So instead of giving the multiple Jackson dependencies, you can use a single Jackson bomb, and you can see in the dependency tree also what and all dependencies is getting with a single dependent. What and all jars it is getting with single dependency.